Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools to understand market behavior, the TPO or market profile. If you've ever wondered how professional traders identify key price levels, gauge market sentiment, and anticipate breakouts and reversals, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you what a TPO chart is and how it works, how to identify value areas, POC or point of control, and single prints, how to use TPO for breakout trading and reversals, and pro tips for combining TPO with order flow for maximum edge. So if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, smash that like button and let's get into it. Now, before we get started, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and you should definitely trade at your own risk. All right, so first thing first, what exactly is a TPO chart? TPO stands for Time Price Opportunity. The TPO chart, also known as the market profile, breaks down market activity by showing how much time the market spends at different price levels. Here's how it works. Each letter or block represents a 30-minute period. When price trades at a level during that period, a letter is placed in that row. Over time, you get a profile of where the most trading activity occurred, giving you a clear view of the market structure. The result, you can easily see which price levels attracted the most volume and where the market spent the most time, also known as the value areas. Now, to read the TPO chart effectively, you need to understand its key components. Point of control, or POC. This is the price level where most of the time was spent during the trading session. It's the fairest price where buyers and sellers agreed the most. Value area. This area includes 70% of the trading activity. It shows the range where most of the day's trading occurred, giving you a clear picture of fair value. Initial balance. This is the first hour of trading, often a critical range that sets the tone of the day. Single prints. These are price levels where the market moved quickly, without much trading, often acting as support or resistance in future sessions. Pro tip, when price breaks out of the value area and holds, it often leads to powerful trending moves. Conversely, if price fails to hold outside value area, it tends to revert back inside. Now that you understand the basics, let's talk about how traders use TPO for high probability setups. Breakout trading from value area. When price breaks above the value area and holds, it often signals a trend continuation. Entry tip, wait for price to break and hold above the value area high or below the value area low. Confirmation, use footprint charts or delta to confirm strong buying or selling activity at these levels. Reversal trades at point of control. If price returns to the point of control after a breakout and stalls, it often signals that the market is reverting to fair value. Entry tip, look for absorption at the point of control to fade the move. Confirmation, use cumulative delta to see if buyers or sellers are getting trapped. Single print reversals. Single prints act as low liquidity zones, which price moved quickly. When price returns to these levels, it often reacts sharply. Entry tip, watch for rejection at single prints. For reversal setups. Confirmation, monitor volume and delta to confirm order flow at these levels. Now, so a lot of traders ask, what is the difference between the TPO chart and volume profile? Here's the breakdown. TPO chart shows time spent at a price, giving you an idea of where the market perceived fair value. Volume profile shows volume traded at price, highlighting where the most contracts changed hands. Pro tip, use TPO to analyze the market structure and identify value areas. Combine it with volume profile to confirm where large participants were active. Here's where things get interesting. Combining TPO with footprint charts and cumulative volume delta gives you a complete view of the market. TPO for market structure, identifying value areas, point of control, and potential breakout zones. Footprint charts for trade execution, seeing where orders are actually being executed and confirm buy or sell aggression. Cumulative delta for confirmation. Use CVD to confirm if buyers or sellers are stepping in aggressively to support the move. For example, if price breaks above the value area high on the TPO, check the footprint chart to confirm aggressive buying. If CVD shows buying pressure, it's a high probability long setup. Alright, now before we wrap up, here are some pro tips to help you master the TPO chart. Always monitor point of control rotation. If price keeps rotating around the point of control, it signals balance. Look for a breakout or breakdown of the next move. Use single prints as targets. If price is trending, target untested single prints for high probability exits. Confirm with order flow. Always use footprint charts and delta to confirm real buying or selling pressure at key TPO levels. Watch initial balance for breakouts. Breaks of the initial balance, or IB, often lead to powerful directional moves. Alright traders, let's do a quick recap. TPO shows time spent at price, revealing value areas and key zones. Use TPO to identify breakouts, reversals, and absorption zones. Combine TPO with footprint charts and CVD to confirm high probability setups. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video to show your support and drop a comment down below. Do you use the TPO in your trading? And don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching and happy trading.